Nominalizing nature, mastering nominalization in natural sciences. Hello, language learners. Today, we're going to take a deep dive into an important element of academic vocabulary, nominalization, with a special focus on its application in the field of natural sciences. Let's unlock the secrets of academic English. Before we dive into the specifics of nominalization in natural sciences, let's revisit what nominalization is. Nominalization is the process of turning a verb or an adjective into a noun. This is commonly used in academic writing to express complex ideas succinctly and formally. For example, interpret can be nominalized to interpretation, and predict can become prediction. When it comes to natural sciences like biology, physics, or chemistry, nominalization plays a critical role in reporting findings, describing methods, and discussing theories. Scientists often convert actions, verbs, and descriptions, adjectives, into entities, nouns, to emphasize the concepts or results over the process. Now, let's explore some examples to better understand how this works in the context of natural sciences. 1. The measurement of the particle's velocity was crucial for the experiment. Here, the action, measure, is converted into the noun, measurement. 2. The observation of the cell division led to a new discovery. In this case, the verb, observe, has been transformed into the noun, observation. Remember, nominalization can also involve adjectives. For example, the density of the material affects its strength. Here, the adjective, dense, has been nominalized to density. To help cement your understanding of nominalization in natural sciences, try to convert the following sentences from a more casual style into a more academic style using nominalization. 1. Scientists confirmed the theory becomes the confirmation of the theory by the scientists. 2. The researchers observed the reaction transforms into the observation of the reaction by the researchers. Practice makes perfect. So spend some time working with these exercises and constructing your own examples. And that's a wrap on our exploration of nominalization in natural sciences. By embracing nominalization, you can make your academic English, particularly in the natural sciences, more precise and sophisticated. Remember, focus on the concepts and results over the process, and nominalize where appropriate. Keep practicing, and soon enough, you'll be a master of nominalization in academic writing. Happy studying!